Hi everyone, it's me Jo, and today I'm giving you an incredibly special video. I'm actually privileged enough to have taken you to Harley Street. We're going to be talking about the procedure I've had done to fix the crease in my eye. I've done 2 videos on this channel all about actually fixing that crease with makeup, but I decided to go into a different option for that because I don't like the fact that I have to wear makeup all the time to feel confident that my eyes are the same. And I know this is a commonplace thing because a lot of you guys have messaged me on Facebook and spoken about how you have hooded eyes, maybe one's different to the other. This is how I fixed it. So let's go to Botox in Harley Street. I'm excited about the video. I am so incredibly lucky to be filming from Botox in Harley Street with the gorgeous Narushka, who is actually going to be talking through a treatment today. And I came, when did I come, like in May?
Roughly, yeah.
Yeah, I came in May to look at my asymmetry problem, and I've always been kind of obsessed with symmetry. But I wanted to get some things fixed in a non-invasive kind of permanent way. So we spoke about different treatments that could perhaps help, and we chose to do the eyebrow lift with Botox, is that right?
Yes, that's right.
And that opened the eye. So how does that work?
Okay, so Botox is really for the muscle. So if we need to change the position of the eyebrow, what we need to do is move the musculature behind the brow, and that will take the skin with it. So if we want it to be a little bit higher and a little bit more arched, then we need to relax the muscle so the muscle can lift up. So what we're doing is we are enabling the elevating muscles, okay?
The one that pulls up.
Indeed. And then the eyebrow will just rise up. And obviously we can control how much we want that to rise by the dose of the Botox.
So what I was concerned with my face was, and I actually used to use eyelid glue in my crease, so my crease would look higher up in my eye, because when I do wear makeup or when I'm going to wear like a natural look, I found it like it emphasized how uneven my eyes looked. So I didn't want to get it on this side because I thought it would just be unnecessary, but with this side I felt like it had a droop to it. So my concern was bringing the eye up so that the crease was symmetrical. That was what I wanted to do.
Okay, so with you it's actually a very subtle change. When we look at your eyes together and compare the symmetry in that area, what we can see is actually on the inside, this area here and here, you're actually very similar. On the outside, however, this is where your crease is a little bit lower compared to this side. So we want the lift more here to take that skin with it. And it really is such a small lift just to open that out so that we can create symmetry. Because if we put too much, then what's going to happen is we're going to create different asymmetry, and actually it's going to be too much on this side and then the other side will be lower. With
mine, I'm an OCD perfectionist, but if someone has more of a severe problem where it's very droopy or hooded on one side, is that also fixable?
No, not really, because then you're thinking about surgery, probably a blepharoplasty, so you need to take skin away. Sure,
so this is more for a clever kind of lift.
Absolutely.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, where would you need to inject and how many injections would you need to do?
Okay, so with you, this is a really small lift, so we actually don't need to take too many different injection points into this. So just a couple of injections to the actual brow muscle itself will be enough just to relax that muscle enough for it to elevate up a little bit, and that's it.
So if people have, for example, the same symmetry, but they have hooded eyes or slightly creasy eyes on both sides, could this be done on both sides to give an even lift or an opened eye look?
Absolutely, I mean you can. It's a nice way to change the angle and the arch of the brow, which can really accentuate the shape of the eye, increase maybe the sensuality of the eye, or increase the femininity of the eye too.
Okay, awesome, cool.
So we're going to put some cream on your skin to numb the areas that we're going to inject, to make them as comfortable as possible during the injective process.
Cool. So we're going to go in with the Botox now.
Raise your eyebrows for me.
Let me know when you'll go.
Indeed. Alright, so I'm going in now. How did that feel to you?
Fine. way less hurt. Look, my eyebrows hurt more than that when I pluck them.
Okay. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. So it really is just very superficial, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
It's not very invasive at all.
And this will start showing results in about a week?
Yes.
Okay.
Finished.
Alright, so I've just had my eyebrow and I've also had my nose done, which will be in a separate video. So I just wanted to have a huge shout out to Narushka for doing this. It was amazing, and also Botox for letting me film, because they're awesome. I'm going to add links to Botox down below and also links to their YouTube for you guys to check out, because they do a range of treatments, obviously. But I'll show you a proper before at the end of the video. Alright guys, well I really hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you so much to Bill and Narushka for allowing me to film the procedures. I think we're going to be doing a couple more. So if you guys have any questions or any things you're fascinated by, please leave them in the comments below, because I definitely like where this journey is taking me. It's a real privilege to actually get an opportunity to work with such amazing people. So I want to shout out Narushka. All the details for Botox will be in the links below for you guys to inquire. They do procedures. So check out their YouTube if there's something that concerns you. They're incredible. Also, thank you to Bill and also thank you to Sam for filming. That was an awesome video and I was excited to do it. So here is a close-up of my eye, which you guys can probably see. I've actually had a lift gradually progress by the day, and Botox takes a few days to kick in, but this is the result after about 7 days. So I'm super excited to have done this, and this will last for a while now. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Check out my last one here. My podcast, My Best Friend will be here, and my subscription link will be somewhere on the face. I will see you all in my next video.